Hello, and everyone, welcome to this Canva tutorial through the Cinniuint business. We're going to be talking about graphic design and how you can use Canva to make your promotions and your websites and your Facebook posts a lot easier. So, usually when I'm promoting anything, I'm usually making a Facebook post, but you can also use this for making like an ebook cover or a YouTube video, whatever. So the first thing you want to do is find the right size thing. So I usually write like Facebook post and then click on a Facebook post size picture, create a blank one. Then you've got a blank page. You don't have to have a brain to do this. If you want, you can also use ChatGPT, which is free to use to come up with ideas. Like, okay, let's click on maybe create an image with ChatGPT, which is a different app, but you can say promoting a waterfall tour experience in northern Michigan. And then ChatGPT will give you an idea, which you can then kind of use for inspiration or whatever once that loads. Okay, that's a
Oh,
cool idea. We can just steal that by clicking on the image and then posting it into our Canva if we want.
mhm. He's showing you how to do it.
Yeah, I'm recording. So then you've got something like this. Then you want to pick a font color that stands out and with whatever image you've got, and a cool font as well. Something like New Michigan Tours. And then if you still can't read it, then you can also,
Super Adventures, remember?
right?
I'm just kidding. You didn't have to change it, but it was funny.
Yeah, I mean, it's helpful when your client is on the call with you and you're creating so they can tell you what they don't like, I guess. Helpful. Um, Another thing you can do is just copy and paste the text right on top of itself, but like slightly off-centered. Um, to unlock it, it'll let you put it in there. Why would you want to do that? Because, let's see, you'll see. I don't know if you'll see or not. If you have them in different colors, like right next to each other, kind
They'll
of
blend in.
creates an interesting effect.
Mhm.
Um, a little bit more readable, even though it's weird. People can read that somehow better. Depending on what colors you pick, it'll be easier to read. There's also all kinds of apps that are inside of Canva that are powered by AI. Um, so those are in the app section. You can throw stuff in.
Mhm.
And if you've got a brand, which we can build, right, and we can share it, we can create a bunch of fonts, colors, and logos that we all share, and we can all refer back to them to have like consistency through all of our promotions. Because you can share your brand kit, I think. Yeah. Another idea you can do is like, you know, describe what Canva elements should go in marketing image for promoting waterfall tour in Michigan and whatever you're promoting. If you just say that, um, it'll give you some ideas of what things you could write in there, like discover Michigan's hidden waterfalls or explore the wonders of northern Michigan. Um, book your adventure today or join our next tour. Um, and then even ideas for like how to format it, maybe what kind of um, formatting to do, like maybe to use orange or yellow buttons or multiple layers. Like it'll give you like kind of an idea of what you might want to put into what you're doing. So even if you don't even know how to do what you're doing, once you read that, it'll give you an idea and you can go back and then use that. So it's kind of like this toolkit is kind of like, getting out your markers and crayons. You just literally can just draw on it. But
Get out your markers and crayons.
um so and then when you're all done with it, you're gonna click share, then you're gonna go down to download and you can choose your file type. I think PNG is usually the best because it takes the less
You
file
said
size.
PMG?
Yeah, yeah, which is short for please no graham crackers.
Please no graham. What?
Please no graham crackers. No, just kidding. And then once it's downloaded in here, you'll be able to drag that into your Facebook or wherever. You can just drag and drop, or it'll go into your download folder in your computer, and then you can upload it to Facebook from there. Yeah. Any
Does
questions?
make it had to re-download.
Re-download?
Yeah, she had to
I'm here.
re-download Zoom.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're here?
No, I had to download the Zoom call,
Oh
Here.
and
hi
I'm
hi
trying to
Des.
eat. Hi,
Nice to
Okay.
meet
how are
Daniel,
you.
you?
Des,
Nice to meet you.
Daniel.
Okay, so I'll kind of go back from the beginning quickly and explain how we got to where we are, and we'll just do another quick one. So when you open up Canva, you get to a screen like this. If you want
Uh-huh.
to make a Facebook post, which is maybe that's what I usually use for promoting, or Instagram. Let's say Instagram post. And just type in Instagram post here, not Instagram Postma. That's my name. And then pick one of these Instagram sizes. Create a blank one, and you can go over. There's an app called ChatGPT, which is kind of cool, where you can type in and it will design stuff for you as well. So I can ask it to create an image of Wisconsin, chauffeur service, and then it will draw me something, which I misspelled everything, but it will always understand you anyway. So that's helpful. Then you can copy and paste this. Wisconsin chauffeur service. It's a very silly picture, but at least it's original. Um, like that, whatever. And then you can grab some text. There's a magic right text. I don't know exactly what that does, but um, right text that makes my chauffeur service sound interesting for my ad. Okay, this is cool text, but it's way too long to put in an image. So we're gonna say this, but only 3 words. And it says luxury chauffeur service. That's fine. You can throw something like that. Change the font color to like, maybe white. Um, with a need to add some kind of effect. We can add effects like also like an outline effect, which will make it easier to read. You can change the color of the outline and then end up with something like this. Um, Pretty quickly. But then you can write in your post what exactly it is you're offering or whatever. So that's how you can very quickly make an image. And you go over here and click download and download it as a PNG. and then it will get saved to your download files, and you can just drag and drop it to Facebook, or you can go to Facebook and click upload and choose your download files, and then it'll be there with whatever the text you put in it as the name. And that's basically how you quickly use Canva to make something. Like I was saying, you can also just draw all over this stuff if you want to be creative. Um, you can change the color. You can just, yeah, yay, whatever.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to use and it's fun. So there's also other AI tools built in. You can click Magic Media and just describe, like, let's say a little star with the number, you know, with the number 50% off in it. Maybe that will, oops. I typed in a little star with 50% off image in it, coupon, and then we got this one. We can just make it smaller. You don't have to do the whole screen, right? Maybe smaller than that. And then say if you're doing like a 50% off promotion, you could put that like on your image. Now it says like, oh, it's 50% off right now or whatever. I don't know. Not necessarily great, but but that's how the AI, they have AI built into this, or you can use the chat GPT to get AI images, or you can just draw your own images. Any questions, comments, concerns, any haggling remarks or war cries?
War cries. Seems about right.
Yeah.
Nope, I
Um,
think that's it.
yeah, if you have the pro version, or if you're doing a 30-day free trial right now, you can also resize it after you make it to a different size by clicking the resize button. Or like Facebook, or if you wanted to move it to YouTube, or if you wanted to put it as a banner or something, if you want to reuse what you made. Okay. Well, thanks for coming to my show.
Thank you for putting on the show.
No problem. Have fun, and yeah, share what you make and design. That'll be cool. You can put it in the chat, even if it's not great. Please, please share your creativity. All right. We'll talk to you guys later.
Thanks.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.